I have heard a rumor about a brand new printer or a upgraded version of a 3D printer, and it is the Creality CR-200B Pro. Creality CR-200B Pro, a brand new 3D printer from Creality, which would look like the same as we have seen before. If we are looking at it from out of the picture, it looks very equal to the one that you can see right here on the background, the old version. It has the Sprite direct drive extruder. I've got here the Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro. It has the Sprite direct drive extruder on it. I'm not going to spoil any beans. The CR Touch auto leveling, which is cool. Cloud printing. Does that mean that they already have built this piece of software, this Creality Clouds feature, already inside of this machine? Can you just hook it up to your network and you have this Creality Cloud in it? Does it work on Wi-Fi? Do you use an Ethernet port for that? Well, we are going to find that out. Ultra safe design. It is looking exactly the same as the CR-200B, which I have here, two of them. Is it any safer? I don't know. Well, let's take a closer look on this 3D printer and what it actually is. The printing volume 200 by 220. I think this is equal to the one that I already have. Three-sided transparent window. They are trying to say with this is that this printer has on three sides a window. The top is no window, huh? It's no window. Consider it user interface. I hope that they improved that was on the CR-200B, because I am not fanatic about their user interface. Yes, it does look great. It is a touchscreen. You can start a print. If files are named too long, if you are working on big projects or projects where you have to name something in order to know where this part is going, then the name is getting too long and the printer doesn't like that. Also, if you think like, hey, I've got this 4-run kit that I'm going to print all the plastic parts, not all at once, but in one go, you slice everything, and later on you find out that your machine only accepts 25 files at a time, because yes, you can put more on it, but you don't see them all. I hope that they have improved this. A bendable spring steel sheet. The one on the CR-200B, which I have 2 times, both with glass. And the first time that I unboxed this 3D printer, there was this little weird feel on the build plate, and I tried to get prints sticking the first time, and after several attempts leveling, cleaning the glass bed, I couldn't get it. I could not get my prints sticking to the bed. So what did I do? Everybody saw it in the live stream. I took my trusted hairspray, I sprayed it on while the glass bed was still hot, and I started a print, and just directly everything looked perfect. So, but bendable spring steel sheet, I think that is a considerable improvement. So the widely applauded direct extrusion kit. Wow. The Sprite direct drive extruder features dual gear for strong and precise extrusion. Up until now, over 2,000 Sprite extruder kits have been sold and accepted well by users for their great performance and reliability. Well, I'm thinking about it, but this design doesn't look the same as the normal Sprite extruder. But I think what they are meaning is like the hot ends assembly and also the direct drive system, not what I'm seeing on top of it. If you're looking to the Sprite extruder, this is how the original Sprite extruder looks like. Well, does it look like the same as we saw on the CR-200B Pro? Yeah, they have a couple of versions. Yeah, I mean, it's calling your Smart, you know, the car Smart, calling it a Mercedes, because the first Smarts were a collaboration between Mercedes and the Swatch watches. This is the Sprite extruder. They call this the Sprite extruder as well. Doesn't look the same. I mean, you need to play find it on it to say like, okay, try to find the 10 differences between this extruder and this direct drive extruder. But I think in general, direct drive extruder for the CR-200B, nice. Bed leveling is crucial for 3D printing. No, it is not. It helps, it doesn't have to always be the case. Auto leveling learned in seconds. Who learned? You or the printer? I mean, by factory they also do a leveling, so why need the printer learn how to level a bed? It's programmed, it's a computer, it's a robot. It's a machine. Even a beginner can get leveling right in seconds. Just cheer for the success of the first layer and then the whole model. Okay, I like good first layer porn. When you see that all lines are, you know, just nicely next to each other and that you have to look for the extrusion lines, that is very nice. That's layer porn at its best. Endless joy of cloud printing. Wow, cloud printing, cloud slicing, remote multi-printer control, and more to explore with the Creality Cloud service on your phone or PC, anywhere, anytime. Can you switch on a 3D printer, put Filament on the spool while you're not at home using the Creality Cloud app? Maybe it is possible that you can switch on a 3D printer. But it is, I think, built in on the printer. Upgraded Creality Print. The new version improves the one-button slicing. Yeah, that's also what I like to do, slicing, and now integrates LAN connection and Creality Cloud service. Easy to print remotely via LAN or cloud. Filament run out sensor, power loss recovery, pause while opening the door. It's not with that one, because those two, if I open the door, I just continue printing. Air filtration, is that also with a HEPA filter or just, you know, a fan pushing the air out? Particles and smells. Larger, is that larger? Larger, oh wow! A larger printing volume, just 20 millimeters. Printing, a bigger printing volume, is what they say. I mean, yo! Sorry, I'm just making a little bit fun out of it, if I may. With an enlarged build volume. Yeah, they made it a little bit higher, and so they can call it a enlarged build volume. Empowers users to print a larger model or more models at a time. What? Okay, so more models, but your build plate is the same size as the old one. How can you call it more models? Larger model? Yes. More models? I don't think so. They are comparing it with a printing volume of 150, 150, 150. Which brand does make this kind of printer with this kind of volume? Hands-on printing with more filaments. A wide array of filaments, including flexible TPU 95A filaments, high temp filament like ABS, that already could do it, boasting 500 hours of steady performance, also from Creality Lab. It makes things easier to try out prints of different properties. Okay, let's continue. Stylish appearance. Yeah, the cover is just black, further nothing changed. A three-slided transparent window accents the willingness to showcase creativity. They removed the dots on the sides. That's one other thing. We have now a simple and considerate user interface. Do they show that on the screen? Wow, nice gimmick. I see a Wi-Fi sign here. UI includes animated quick guides for users to learn more about operations step by step. Now, well, if they do something like this, I mean, I'm also critical about things. I'm giving some critics or thoughts about it. If Creality decides to say, hey, you know, we want to have some more people on board on 3D printing with some screen animations or showing how-tos, I mean, it's a great extra feature on this 3D printer. So yeah, I do like this. For filament loading and unloading, just give it a tap. While leveling or monitoring, the LED light will turn on by itself for clear sight. Wow. And with real-time model preview, it is plain to see the printing progress. Real-time model preview only support models sliced by Creality Print using default settings. Okay, there was the little tool-free model removal. Okay. And then this drops on the ground and then it breaks and you can start printing again. Yeah, with the Creality printers, you will keep printing. Ecosystem product recommendation. 3D scanner, CR Scan Lizard. I want one, Creality, send me one. High quality filaments. So supported filaments. For the old version, there you had only PLA and ABS. With this one, you can print PLA, ABS, ASA, TPU 95A, not normal TPU, PETG, PLA CF carbon fiber, cool, and CR silk. I don't know where CR silk stands for. I think Creality silk filament. Nozzle temp is up to 260. The old one was up to 240, 245. It has a built-in 1080p camera. Wow, my gosh. Indeed, this is a pro. File transfer, USB flash drive, LAN, Wi-Fi, Creality Cloud. Here's a little comparison between the old and the new version. Like mentioned, 20 millimeters higher than the old version. The temperature from the heated bed is 10 degrees Celsius more. A spring steel sheet. It has a CR touch leveling, a built-in camera, a Wi-Fi connectivity, a power loss recovery, a quick release hot end. That would be very handy. Air filtration. They do have fans on the backside, but it's not a filtration. Auto filament loading and unloading. Cool. Nice. So yeah, what are my thoughts about this 3D printer? I already mentioned it. In some ways, I don't think that this is an added value, but the user interface has some more features, a built-in camera. It has a network connectivity, whether it is via LAN or via Wi-Fi. The direct drive extruder, I think that that is a bonus, but you know, a calibration cube, higher printing volume. I don't know if that is better, because how much more you can print with just 2 centimeters. The black looks better. I don't want to say the white is ugly, because it doesn't look ugly at all, but those dots on the, you know, acrylic, I don't know what's doing there. Wasn't it that the CR-200B had also you could style it your own? Was that not one of their advertisements? But the question comes, for how much is this going out? You can get with Honey a discount. Yeah! Average discount is 12%. I have no idea about that. I'm also not sponsored by Honey, but hey, doesn't do any harm. I saw 3D Jake. Oh. So if you are interested in buying this 3D printer, the price is going to be around the 900 USD. If you made it this far in this video, you are amazing. You can become a YouTube member, or you can also, you know, go to Patreon and support this channel. That way your name will be added here in the list. You will get some early access to the videos. You can also give one time a thanks. There is a thanks button somewhere here. And if you don't want to spend any money on this channel at all, hey, no problem. You can subscribe if you are not subscribed. You can like this video if you did like this video. And you know, I will see you next time. Peace. Bye-bye.